Uh, Myself Bhargav, and I am dealing with Amazon private labels and new brands. After developing many electronic devices under its own brand, Amazon decided to enter the higher margin grocery and household goods sector. In May 2016, the company announced the launch of three brands, which are available on Amazon platform, and one of them is Happy Belly, which offered grocery products including milk, coffee, cereals, and pasta. And next one is Wickedly Prime, which offered ready-to-eat prepared foods, and the other one is Mama Bear, which offered baby products including baby food, cleaning wipes, and diapers. Amazon does not only sell its grocery and household products online, but they also produce them through their private labels, allowing the company to have potentially higher margins considering to its competitors. Amazon owns over 6,825 products across 100 plus private label brands that operates on its own platform, and including food and beverage, automotive, clothing, and electronics. Most of the brands names are uncommon or unheard of. Most of the customers who are purchasing on the Amazon side, they don't even know they are purchasing the private labels of Amazon products. Like what we when we search any product, like for an example, if we take an adapter or any battery, then the top listed products are we what we see is Amazon basic products. Like Amazon uses its own platform for its own advantage, and this keeps competitors, uh, what we say, like competitors feel very competitive to sell their products in Amazon platform, because they are not even listed like on top products category. And Amazon brand often creates products which are similar to its competitors, and they sell them with lower cost compared to their competitors, and this allows like customer to purchase Amazon products. And Amazon products are they are also like they have quality, like competitor products only, but some of the products even resemble same like hello.
Yes, Bhargav, you can continue.
Next slide. Okay. Uh, okay. Amazon top 10 most successful private label brands are Amazon Basics, which constitutes of 61% of products in its platform. And Amazon Basics includes household goods and electronics. And next one is Amazon Collection, which is of 8.2%, and they are basically jewelry. And other categories as Amazon Essentials, which are of men's and women's clothing, and they constitute of about 5%. Pinzone is a Amazon's category product only. They offer towels and bedding products, related products. They constitute 2.2%, and other private label brands are of 20%. Together, Amazon private label brands own 80%, and thus they are assumed like a dominator in their own platform. And coming to Amazon Basics, just like big retailers like Walmart and Target, who have their own new brands and own private brands, Amazon also created their own private label brand, which they introduced them as Amazon Basics in 2009, and it started out with utilities like cables, batteries, and chargers. And when they entered into the market, like the results what they were saying is amazing, and they raised the sales, like the sales which they raised bet the Duracell and Kirkland, Kirkland and Duracell are other battery brands. And within a year, the massive amount of purchase data that Amazon collects and provides all the information they need to succeed. Amazon knows what customers are searching for and what customers are looking and what they are preferring and what they are purchasing. and this data is collected, and they use this data for their own benefit. And they even say that like customers are searching for common items which are affordable by them, and their main aim is to create those items so that customers only prefer Amazon products. And Amazon strategy for Amazon Basics was to create like copying products which are similar to the competitors, and they sell them with the cost which is less lesser than their competitors. And top categories that are sold in Amazon platform are camera accessories, office accessories, and tools and home category products. Amazon is aggressively expanding their products, especially ones which are integrated with Alexa. And next slide, Sukesh. Coming to product pricing, over 12.1% of Amazon products are priced of $50, and 49.3% of products are priced under $20, and 38.6% products are priced under between $20 to $50. Plot and the average product rating is 4.1 out of 5 stars. 30% of products of the top 10 brands are rated 4.5 or more, and 83% are rated 4.0 or more. And there is a fact like the ratings which were given to Amazon products are basically given by the platform itself, and they are manipulating the ratings and review. Like many of the competitors are also filed a few cases on Amazon products because they are copying similar products as they are providing. Uh, that's it, guys. And further will be continued by my colleague Sakit. Thank you.